Okay, this is first case of hiccups.
Can I have a drink?
Sure.
Poor little guy.
We've been feeling these hiccups inside
for a week.
For a couple of weeks. But so far we could only feel them, and now we can hear them. Oh, you're looking around.
You hear Mommy?
Yeah. He hears Mommy, and he hears Daddy, and he hears
Big
May.
Sister May.
Excellent. Is that a good video, do you think?
Look at it.
Little hiccup. Okay.